Hello again, it's Noob, and yeah, in here there's a really cute military American lock. It's a very old style American lock because it just says American USA, and yeah, very cute indeed. It's all brass anti-spark. It's got a really kind of nice kind of view of how the core and the Bible sit inside the padlock. I think I picked a bigger version of this, which looked like it has almost like a double-sided Bible, but I mean it didn't. But yeah, but I've not picked one of these little 30mm US American padlocks. Very cool. This was kindly sent to me by Starry Lock, so do go please check out his channel. And yeah, let's throw this in a vise and have a pick. Okay, so we're in the vise. Here is that key with the lovely bitting, high, mediums and lows everywhere else. 5 pins, works really nicely. All brass lock. Pull that out. I'm going to do some nice gentle picking with some top of the keyway tension with a 1.3mm tool, and just use a Peterson gem to go in on pin 5. Go in, nothing on 4. 3, little click on 2, nothing on 1, just go back to the back again, just go along each pin in turn, just give a little bounce. That's 2 again, nothing on 1 yet, so something isn't quite picked. There we go, and just keep going through, just making sure that you're tapping these pins. 5 dropped, 4, just make sure 3, 2, 1, 2, and pin 1 at the front. Usually, so we're in the vise. There is that beautiful bitting on the key, very high, followed by very low, pins 5 and 4, then 3's medium, 2 and 1 are quite low. Works lovely. Just lock that back up. There we go. And we're going to use a 1.3mm top of the keyway tensioner and just a Peterson gem to try and pick this. So just going to start at the back, and I'm going to feel pin 5's binding. Okay, go back through, that's 5, nothing on 4, 3. A little click on 2 and a bit of movement, and a tiny click on 1. We're not open yet, so I'm just going to tap on these pins and just see if there's anything that isn't there. There you go, that's pin 1. So I don't know why this, in a way it feels a little bit like beveled pins in this, which is unusual for this American lock. I assume it's an American lock, an early American lock. So maybe it has some beveled drivers or there's some dirt in here, but having to pick the pins more than once, but with them not feeling serrated. Slightly unusual feeling this lock, but otherwise just a beautiful lock. So yeah, thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please leave a like. If you have a comment below. I read them all and reply to as many as I can. And of course, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing so you can access more content like this, and I'll see you all next time.